हेलो नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ग्रेशियस मनहुड। मेरा नाम है नीलिमा गुप्ता फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो मी एंड दोज हु नो मी वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वंस अगेन। आज का जो वीडियो है इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी बेस्ड अपॉन few dietary supplements which I recently discovered, and I found that these supplements are very essential to be taken so as to carry your body in a healthy way and so as to carry your life in a very smooth way without any so-called common diseases that have been growing every day now. I am a big fan of supplements because nowadays all of us know that we are not able to take all the nutrients, all the minerals, and we're not able to take balanced diet living in such an environment these days. So to fulfill all of that and to save yourselves from the upcoming diseases which are very much common these days, spreading all over the world, I will say. So I have come up with these 3 supplements which are right over here with me. I'm just gonna share them with you all. I hope you'll give your some time to look into the most important, not most important I would say definitely, but some time to look into the important supplements that we may require living in today's world. So let's start with the video now. Okay, now all of us know one thing in particular, that now everyone is health conscious these days. We go to any dietitian or if we start taking a diet, one thing that has become very much important, like doing everyday ritual, is soaking methi seeds, a teaspoon of methi seeds in regular water, regular plain water, and then taking the water along with the seeds every morning. So I am a lazy ass. I am very much lethargic in doing all these things, like soaking methi seeds every night and waiting for it to just soak down completely and in the morning to have it. I am a lethargic person. That is why I prefer taking capsules or tablets as substitute of that. So I was going across the sites and I found out this really good Zenith Nutrition's fenugreek seeds. This is the bottle over here if you all can see. Okay, so fenugreek seed, this is completely methi seeds that are there in the form of capsules. I'll just read out what the company claims here. First of all, it says that serving size they recommend is 2 veg capsules per serving, and I usually take one in the morning. Not just me, it's my husband and my mother-in-law who takes the capsule as well. So these are 60 servings in this bottle. There are 60 servings if you take 2 capsules every day. Otherwise this is 120 vegetarian capsules. So that's a good amount that you're getting. That's a good quantity that you're getting in this price. Okay, the price for this is 620 rupees. I think this is a deal. You just cannot find a good company giving you such a good vegetarian product. This is 100% vegetarian. So what the company claims is over here that it protects the liver from toxins, supports weight loss, which is important, and then it definitely supports healthy blood sugar balance. It definitely controls blood sugar level in the body, which is actually which actually has become really important for a lot of people out there, because a lot of us are having this blood sugar problem. Now, fenugreek seeds are a staple component of classic curry and renowned for their traditional healing properties. Fenugreek has been showing to restore hormonal balance in both men and women. Definitely, hormonal imbalance has become a major disorder these days. It protects the liver from toxins, reduces bad cholesterol, which is a really good thing. It promotes lactation and helps soothe heartburn and supports weight loss. So I basically got this for my weight loss, because I told you earlier also I can't do that methi dana thing every night. So that is why I purchased this, and this is a really good supplement, because every day I have it. I know how light my body feels, how effective it is for me, for my body. I would not say that I have definitely lost weight because of this, because I also exercise regularly, I also eat healthy food, and I also take this. So all these things in together and in a cluster, they all have helped me to maintain my body weight. So I'll be definitely continuing after this bottle gets over. I'll definitely buy the fenugreek seeds from the same company itself. So I will link it down. I'll link the company from where you can purchase the particular product down in my description box. You will just go and check it out there. Moving forward to the next product that I have. So this is basically something which is really important to maintain vaginal health of a woman, and everybody knows how important it is for a woman or for a lady to maintain the pH level, and to maintain the hygiene of one's vagina, to keep it safe, and to keep it safe basically from all kinds of infections. But a very common infection, that is UTI, urinary tract infection, is it is spreading, and over nearly 10 million women in India per year suffers because of this particular infection. So not only we can just control it, but also we can reduce if we have it by taking simple dietary supplements. And for that I have this Cranberry Plus D-Mannose antioxidant rich formula by Zenith Nutrition. Now, why did I choose the particular company, and how did I get to know about this particular company, that I'm going to share with you. So while I got to know about the UTI, I definitely wanted something to keep myself safe, because I don't have any such kind of problem apart from a little bit of itching that happens sometimes. So no other problem apart from that. So I just never wanted to have all of that, and I just heard and I just studied that this gets a little gross if you have it. So I just never wanted to have it. So to avoid that completely, I went through various sites, and then after getting and after reading so many reviews, I came up with this particular company, once again Zenith, and I just wanted to try out the products of this particular company, and reviews were also good. So I got to know that what Cranberry D-Mannose does is, first of all, it is also mentioned over here that it helps in maintaining healthy urinary tract, to maintain the balance, to keep it hygienic, and to keep it healthy. So definitely a vegetarian capsule. Now this is 60 vegetarian capsules that you get for 760 rupees. Again, a great deal to keep yourself healthy, to maintain your own body. Now first, and the good thing that I liked about this thing in particular, this company in particular, is that it has no preservatives, no soy, no dairy. It is yeast free and gluten free, which is a common problem in a lot of people nowadays. They are allergic to gluten. Now this formula is proprietary blend comprising of cranberry extract and D-Mannose, designed to promote urinary tract health. D-Mannose promotes urinary tract's ability to flush out impurities and toxins. Now this particular component, it helps in flushing out all the dirt from your body and remove out all the toxins in your body, and then maintain the level. Now why is it important? Because nobody wants to have a body with a lot of impurities inside. So to get rid of it, to maintain the vaginal health, and to maintain your own glow on your body, and to get that happy face all the time, you must have things that keeps you away from all of that. Now again, I would not recommend to have these things regularly or on regular basis, but for sure once in 3 months, so that you never miss out on the good products, and you are also providing a good food to your body. So this is a dietary supplement, again very important for your body. The last thing again from this particular company. Now you all might be thinking that why am I focusing upon this particular company in particular and not others? Because I have actually seen the difference using the company, and I have actually a little bit of that what do I say, irritation that I felt, that is also completely gone, just because I started having the cranberry capsules over here. So the next thing is this probiotic immune capsules. Now this is 90 vegetarian capsules that you get for 535 rupees. So this is the cheapest of them all. So probiotics are a combination of live beneficial bacteria or yeast that live in your body. So now you all get what is probiotic immune. So it is basically a capsule that will help increase your immunity in a long term, or in a long way. So bacteria is basically seen in a negative way because it definitely goes inside your body, or it is there in your body and it makes you ill or sick. But that is not the case. That is not the case. There are two types of bacteria: a good bacteria and a bad bacteria. So what does this particular capsule or this particular supplement do to your body? So probiotic immune helps maintain intestinal flora, a premium probiotic blend. It helps maintain healthy digestive system, definitely keeps your digestion, improves your digestion and keeps your digestive system, maintains your digestive system, on a healthier note. And it also improves immunity. So probiotics may help give your immune system a boost, and they inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. Definitely that is the gut bacteria which is harmful. Also probiotics have been shown to increase the production of antibodies in your body. Now that is which is something really important during this pandemic of COVID-19, that we need to have antibodies in our body to fight through various diseases or various other microorganisms. That is why you need to have a probiotic supplement in your diet, be it a man or a woman. Zenith says that probiotic immune is a pure, fast acting therapeutic grade formula optimized with premium strains. The blend of targeted probiotic strains plays a unique role in acid bile resistance and helps support digestive balance and immune health. So in a nutshell, I would say that good digestive system and good health of your body. This is all what you get from the probiotic medicines. Now because it is probiotic immune system, so it definitely gives you a boost in your immunity. And I would say this time that we all are going through is a very important time to boost your immune system or keep your immune system healthy. So definitely go for it. Yakult is another bottle of probiotic drink that is available in the markets that you may take. So Zenith has definitely become my good go-to company to buy all these supplements from. I'll definitely link down all the products in my description box down below. You may go and check out and purchase your own capsules from there. Also I'll be coming up with another video which is related to women vaginal health, and it is important because this is something that you get regularly on monthly basis. So next video is going to be about that. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel to come up and see these important and significant products that you may have on regular basis to keep your health in good condition, to maintain your vaginal health and to keep yourself hygienic, and also to boost your immunity. So thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.